Itanya rĩa uria wari murugamiriri munene wa kambuni ya utambia wa thitima Ben Chumo gutuika muikariri wa Kamitii ya kuramata micara guku bururi-ini niyo SRC niriringire ihiga thiku imwe tu thutha wa gwikinyia mbere ya Kamitii ya bunge igii kigina na mibango guthurimwo wagiriru wake.
Members, please remain behind.
Kuringanana na riboti irekereirio ni Kamitii no Chumo uria kurirwo maitho ni thitango cia ungumania igoti-ini mari nangi ndakinyaniirie wagiriru uria gathikitwo ni gatiba ya bururi.
You've been to Kenya Power Lighting Company, the company that has fleeced Kenyans a lot of money through corruption. You are in court on corruption charges. You have the full guts to sit in front of us to demand this job.
One thengia ya Chumo gwitetera wendari itemi anyitire hindi ya ngukumio yo kuria kurekwirwo kambuni ya Kenya Power ni yagurire mitambo ya transformer itakinyaniirie ikiro ya mwigana wa shilingi bilioni 4.5.
One can only be innocent until is proven guilty. This is a situation that arose in 2011-2012. I was not the CEO then at KPSC. Not that I'm casting aspersions on procurement of those transformers.
Riboti ya Kamitii no yukitio riria Kenya makoretwo magikirira nganja wagiriru wa Chumo thutha wake gwikinyia mbere ya Kamitii no athurimwo kiumia kimwe tu thutha wa kurekererio na bodi na igoti.
Thank you very much, Chair and members of this committee. All right.
Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, njitagwo Njoroge wa Kimani.